7 riders in the grand final. Chris Walker lining up next to me. On the far side, John McGuinness. In the middle, Lee Bob Jackson. Tim Neve on the back. Oh, Jack Bell muscling through onto the front row. The flag is down and they're away. And Chris Walker gets a cracker. Jack Bell alongside him as well. Lee Bob Jackson. Here comes Lee Jackson. Lee Jackson up to second. Through on the inside. Picked up Tim Neve. Peter Hickman in fourth. Looking good. Tim Neve, well, Jack Bell now still in third place, fourth place now. They're moving so quickly. Chris Walker is absolute dynamite here. But through goes Hickey, Peter Hickman. Look at that, Peter Hickman alongside Tim Neve. Those two neck and neck. I'm getting dizzy. I'm glad we've got a wireless microphone, otherwise I'd be wound up in the cage. Here they go, round the back. Jack Bell now leading. Jack Bell and Tim Neve, rivals in the Champions Flat Track School. Number 9, Walker the Stalker in third. Has he got anything left in his locker? Jack Bell underneath. Tim Neve then, Chris Walker, Hickman, Lee Bob Jackson, Neil Hodgson, and at the back it's John McGuinness. But it's Tim Neve at the moment of the grand final. Jack Bell wants this one. Jack Bell, the flat track hooligan champion, wants this one. He's in front. 93, we're getting the last lap flag ready. It's going to be way next time. One more lap to go. Tim Neve and Jack Bell, neck and neck. Oh, there's contact. There's contact there, but they're still upright. Oh. That was amazing. That was amazing. What can I say? I don't even know who won that. That was so quick. That was over the line. I think it was Tim, possibly Jack Bell. I don't know. It was all action. Peter Hickman was fighting. They were all fighting. Chris Walker was in third. I hope you've enjoyed it. It's been absolute mayhem. We're going to talk to somebody, and it's going to be Tim Neve. Well done, mate. Oh, excellent, excellent. So, did you win that? Because I couldn't see, I was facing the wrong way.
I won it by an axe cock.
Tiny bit. That's a little bit, isn't it?
It's a little bit.
It's a little bit.
Win's a win, isn't it?
You'll take it. So, what about the day? How do you sum up your day? We've had 2 days racing. Have you enjoyed it?
Oh, absolutely loving it. This is meant to be a bit of fun, but it's turned into full-blown racing, and everyone is at it. We're running into original fence, and we've all got rubber marks everywhere on the bikes, but yeah, what a do.
What's the plan for tonight then, Tim? Early bed, nice massage.
I'm going to have to get the champagne out after that one, aren't I?
Right on. Tim Neve, ladies and gentlemen, grand final winner. Who was second? Come on, Jack, come through, mate. It got so frantic, I lost track, mate, and I thought the flag came out early, but I don't know if it did or not. What about your day? How was it?
Yeah, that was some race to the line with Tim there. It was definitely close. We had a good battle. I'm quite used to racing elbow to elbow with him on the outdoors on the 450s, so yeah, that was great to take it out of him and have a good race there.
Yeah, the amount of trust is immense, isn't it? Because you really are a fraction of an inch apart.
Yeah, there's not much room for error around here, that's for sure. One mistake and by that, all the riders behind the pasture, you know, you just slightly run it wide and there's 3 people stuffing it up the inside as quick as they can. You leave them a millimetre to run over your foot and stuff, so yeah, you've got to be on the ball all the time.
Well done, you've done yourself credit. It's been a real pleasure seeing you. We got it all to do again tomorrow, buddy. Right, Chris? You never give up trying, do you, mate? You are a real trier. You would say that, of course, but well done. Chris Walker, ladies and gentlemen, absolutely fantastic spirit from all the riders. I hope you've enjoyed the entertainment. I certainly have. It's an early night for all of us, a big day tomorrow. If you're coming back to the show tomorrow, please visit us in the arena. Well, you can't miss it, can you? We're right in the middle. Thank you for being such a lovely audience, for me, Barry Nutley, and all the team. We're going to do it all again tomorrow. Thanks for being with us today. The show is not closed. There's plenty more to see. Go around and spend your money. We'll see you later. Thank you.